Hey everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to log into Meetup. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, simply open your Meetup application. Tap on Login. Enter your email. Enter the password that you had set while creating the account. Tap on Login. And that is how you can easily log into your Meetup account. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. And if it was, hit the like button and comment below your questions and feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you do not miss our upcoming videos.